Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today. Now today Pepe is down again 817, and I think I do have some answers to where Pepe could actually head moving forward. Previously, when I didn't actually make the updates, I did made my members aware that there shall be a 20% correction for the alts, and then there could be 50% pump in the future. And this was a closing of April is bullish for May. Now there are some keywords here, okay? These are very important keywords, 15 to 20%, and this message was back in April 30. So we didn't trade anything, we just didn't do anything, we were pretty idle. And the price of Pepe back in 30 of April, we were trading nearly at 895. So ever since that message, the prices from, let's say, 900 here has been 10% down, and then again 20% correction is something that I was looking forward to. And what I mean by 20% correction is if we do go for that 20% correction, it's gonna fall down to 712, and I think 712 is something that I was predicting back in April 30, and that's the reason why I dropped the message as well. Now let's see why do I think that coming down to 711 or maybe 690 as well could be a nice entry opportunity, and what does this mean? What does a 50% move up in May actually means? So 20%, 10% so far is done. We need 12% more coming up, and I want to show you why I think there could be 50% move up from here after the correction is done. So basically, number one, look at this message. April, the closing of April is bullish for May. Let's go into the monthly and let's actually see how the monthly closed for April. So if we do go back and look at how April closed out, this is bullish, right? This is a very, very bullish closing. One red candle and a green candle next to it is bullish. Now it's almost as if you did this right over here, okay? So this can actually push May, and if it doesn't push up May, then it definitely has to push up June as well. So I do think May can actually be green, but right now we're correcting to the downside. And if we go back on the 4-hour time frame here, and I want to show you the trend lines that we have on the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna take one trend line, and I have to drop the trend line, so I'm going to actually zoom out just a little bit like that, and let's do this one once again. So here is your trend line from there all the way down to this area. So you have a break that has already happened for Pepe. So this is one amazing hint. One touch here, second touch right there, third one, fourth one, and this was the break. I think the move down here is to retest maybe even 615. Okay, it could actually drop to 615 because the purpose is not 30%, is not 35% correction. The purpose is the retest. Now the number come along with the drop, right? So you may actually see something like this come down to 625, retest 625, and maybe from here push up, and you could actually come to 1602, which actually means that once the corrections are over, you may actually expect even 155%, which is actually pretty crazy. And the thing is that there is a trend line going on in here. So if you notice, there's one little bit of a trend line as well, just right there. So there you can see how good of a junction and how good of a buying opportunity that will be, because that's one support here, and then you have this trend line, and in the future when they actually merge up together, you're going to have the lower support and then this resistance, which is also going to act as a support. So I would actually say that this is a huge opportunity if it actually happens, that you move down to 631 or something like that. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.